Well, we're back.
No comment.
You see it?
You know what's weird?
What?
It's a bright orange tractor and it's like 75 feet directly right there, and I couldn't see it till I just happened to see the sun
Kind of glint off of it?
Yep. So we need to back up and drive directly right there.
All right.
All this water, did you realize that it's
Well, ow. Oh, now remember, I was coming from that way. And so I saw that water first. So I started turning to the left.
This might be wet right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so as I turned to the left, and
all right. Well, let me fire it up. Give me the key. Please tell me you didn't forget the key. I don't have enough time in the day. Do you not have the tractor?
I'm not kidding, the keys at the house.
I'm gonna kill you.
I didn't leave the key in his hand.
I'm going to kill you.
Oh, God.
I just spent the last 45 minutes trying to find this.
Just to get back here.
And you didn't bring the key.
I thought about it before we left. Before I got to the house. Yeah. Are we having to work on the side-by-side first?
Beaver problems. Oh my God. Stop. I'm hoping when I back up that breaks off now. Jeff said, "Do you want to drive forward?" I said, "No."
I said, why not?
All right, I'm backing up.
All right. Yep.
This is either going to work or I'm tired of briars.
We got 99 problems, but hopefully a stump ain't one.
Now what we don't need to do is drive over that again.
Yeah.
Briars, I'm so tired of briars.
Me too.
Look, I'm literally like, I can't go anywhere.
That's why mission number one is going to be to just get rid of all of this. All of it.
I'm trying to get over there.
Okay.
And this thing turns like a school bus.
Yeah. Oh.
All right.
All right. That was easy.
Yeah. Now we need the plywood.
Yeah. Now get out of here. Hey, it's pretty though. Well, little bit of guidance. Coming soon, lessons with Let's Dig.
Blood.
I seen, no, blood is extra, just like in a hockey penalty.
I was honestly, after the first tug, I was surprised that it
came out. Yeah, me too.
I gotta run to the store
Well,
too.
I had to come in here and dig all the briars out of my arm and, you know, wipe the blood off of everything
and I had to
Count
give Chris
the whole-
all your Christmas money.
count the holes in my shirt.
So it's not a Bealy good Christmas for me.
It wasn't a good paying job, but 20 bucks is 20 bucks.
That's right. She's speechless. She's used to my shenanigans by
I don't know
now.
why you didn't come with us.
Yeah.
I was relaxing.
You didn't want to go get into the briars and everything?
No. First of all, I got aggravated yesterday just going to pick him up.
Yeah, I heard you ended up at the wrong property.
Yeah. Well, I was across the street at the property, and then he's like, no, just stay there. I shot him a picture, and then I'm like, well, tell me where to go, and I'll go.
I'm driving through those briars as she's texting me.
Okay, so tell me where to go.
Walking.
How do I explain where to go from where she was? I'm like, drive a little further. I mean, that was
But I sent a picture where I was, and you were like, yes, that's the house on the corner lot, blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to go down this path over here.
it. Then I was like, no.
Yeah, so I'm like, okay, well, tell me where to go.
That was the indication of wait.
Wait. Just blow the horn, I'll tell you if I can hear
And
you.
then I rolled out of the woods. I'm like, and I'm looking over at it, and I'm like, you see me? No.
Because I was looking to the
Did
right.
you see her?
He
Yeah.
didn't tell me to look to the left.
I'm like, look left.
He didn't tell me where he was. Communication.
Get a little
key.
flare gun to shoot up.
And then he's like, to the left. So I looked to the left, and then I saw him. And then I drive past him because then I turn around and I drive past him, and I'm like, okay, where do I go in?
I'm like, the big driveway?
I'm like, the one with the big pile of dirt
Because
covering?
I hadn't seen that yet.
You didn't see that
Yeah.
yet?
Yeah, thank you.
Well, so I just drove right over. I just put it in, you know, low and
I mean, she
four-wheel.
could have done that too.
She could have.
I didn't know I could.
Her and her pink soft marshmallow shoes, slip-ons.
Yeah, I had them on yesterday.
All right, well, that's all I got. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Thankful for Chris to come rescue again.
This is a recurring thing.
It is. It's getting quite expensive.
Well,
Actually, my Christmas present does not hinder this. It's yours.
yeah. Yours is on the front porch, actually. We saw it on the way in.